Hi, this is Abdul Kalam. Today we are going to see transversal line and its properties. What is this transversal line? A transversal line which is drawn transversely, not somehow slanting, or which it cuts more than two lines. Okay, if it cuts more than two lines, we call them as transversal lines. If two lines they just intersect like this, they are not transversal. They are just intersecting or bisecting lines. Okay, that we will learn in the other case. Now our concentration is on this transversal line. What do this transversal line do? For example, let me take two parallel lines. Let me name this as L, and let me name this as M. So a parallel line, two parallel lines L and M are there. Okay, and one transversal line it cuts this case. Now what would you think, what will be the things formed? So some new things are formed here. They are called angles. Where do the angles form? Okay, so here angle 1 is formed. Let me go clockwise. So here angle 2 is formed, here angle 3 is formed, so here angle 4 is formed. So a transversal line cuts a parallel line, it's create 4 angle. Does it create only 4? It has cut another parallel line also. So this will be 5, this is 6, and this is 7, and this angle is 8. So what do you understand by this? So when total 8 new angles are formed, 8 new angles are formed because of this transversal line. So any two parallel lines are cut, you can get this two pairs of 4 okay, total 8 angles. Okay, total 8 angles. So this 1 and 4 are called linear pair. Angle 1, angle 4 are called linear pair. Angle 1 and angle 2 are called linear pair. Angle 2 and angle 3 are called linear pair. Angle 3 and angle 4 are called linear pair. What is linear pair? Is nothing but straight angle, total 180 degree. Okay, today our concentration is on all the angles. Okay, what is the angle which is equivalent to angle 1? Okay, the angle which is equal to angle 1 will be angle 5. The angle 1 and angle 5 are equal. So they are called corresponding angles. Correspond. What is the meaning of the correspond? For example, okay, if I am taking the angle which is above the parallel line on the top line, so here also I have to take above the top parallel line. Okay, and I am taking to the right hand side, so in the bottom line also I have to take to the right hand side. So this is called corresponding angles. Okay, so note it down. Angle 1 and angle 5 are corresponding angles. Are they only, or are 1 and 5 alone the corresponding angles? No. Yes, very good, what you said is correct. So which are the corresponding angles? So let me now change the title from transversal lines. Now we have come to corresponding angles. So angles, what are the angles we are going to see? First angles what we are going to see is corresponding angles. The head is our angles, heading is angles. First let us see corresponding. So which are the corresponding angles? Okay, so the four pairs which are corresponding angles, 1 and angle 1 and angle 5, then angle 2, angle 2 and angle 6, angle 2 and angle 6, then angle 3 and angle 7. So angle 3 and angle 7. Then one more, angle 4 and angle 4 and angle 8. Angle 4 and angle 8. These are all called corresponding angles. So you can see 4 pair of corresponding angles can be formed. Okay, so if you take the line above the parallel line to the right, again the bottommost line also you have to take above the parallel line to the right side. If for example angle 2 and angle 6, you are taking the below the parallel line. Okay, so here also angle 6 you have to take below the below the parallel line, bottom line to the right hand side. If you want to take to the left hand side, same thing will be. For example, if you ask me angle 1 and angle 6 are they corresponding, I will say no. Do you know why? Because angle 1 is above the line and angle 6 is below the line. So if you understand this, your corresponding angle idea will be very very easy. Let us go for one more beautiful question. How many of you can find the corresponding angle here? Okay, I will draw one triangle. Okay, I will draw one triangle. Okay, I am drawing one triangle. Okay, after drawing the triangle, let me draw one more line here. Let me draw one more line here. Okay, now let us go to this question. Okay, again one more line, let us draw here. Now, how many of you can believe that corresponding angles are applicable here? For example, let me take again for your better understanding, let me go with this. This is line L and this is line M, and L and M are parallel. So L and M are parallel. Now this angle and this angle are corresponding angle. Why I am giving this question particularly? Because especially those who say geometry difficult, those who say, including myself, okay, I used to say this geometry is difficult. To my mentor I have said this word, okay, because that time I don't understand the basic things. When those who said this lines are geometry is difficult, they didn't tilt the image. I also started telling geometry is difficult, but I stopped it once I started tilting the image. So once you start tilting the image, if you see the image in so many versions of tilted image, you will see it is very easy. So now this angle, for example, let me put angle x, angle y, angle x equal to angle y. What the property we are going to use is corresponding angle. Is it interesting? I hope you would have got the idea what I want to convey you. This will help you lot in your any competition exam as well as your basic studies. Okay, thank you for watching this video.